Hey guys, it's Chris from Equalize Designz. Today I'm actually doing this tumbler with this Dawn dish soap, and I'm also going to be using ultra black Rust-Oleum spray paint. I also want to try on these Papermate Inkjoy pens, so check it out. The other tumbler and this other pen, I'm going to use the power wash spray and see how that comes out. So stay tuned. Alright, so to start off, what I'm doing now is adding my Dawn dish soap to cover the whole tumbler, and then I'm going to spray paint over it. Then once I wash it, you're going to see the colors revealing from under it. So I'm going to let that dry, and now I'm going to do the pen. So here's the pen that I spray painted earlier. So what I did was I spray painted this white, and then I spray painted with the different colors. So here we go. Pen is very small, so you're definitely gonna, be careful with it. Okay. That's it for that. Now it's the spray paint. I'll be back. Let me rinse this off in the sink. Alright guys, so this is how it came out with the pen. And this is the tumbler right here. I think I did a little too much on the top, but it's all cool. So I'm gonna epoxy it and then add my decal to it. So stay tuned for this pen. Then I'm gonna do it with the power wash and this tumbler right here. Alright guys, so we're back with the power wash right here. And I'm gonna do this pen and this tumbler right here. Let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna use this power wash right here. So let's go. Let's see. Alright, so now I'm gonna spray paint it. Okay, let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna wash it off. I'll be right back. Now we're gonna do the pen. So I really need right now for this one. Maybe one more squirt. And one here. Alright, that's it. So let me grab the spray paint. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna wash this and I'll be back. Alright, so this is how it came out with the pen right here. And this is the tumbler. So it's my first time using power wash on Dawn soap, and I think next time I might do a little bit more Dawn soap. This way I get more of the color coming out of it, but it still looks cool. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is adding my first layer of epoxy to seal that tumbler effect. Okay, so after adding my epoxy to the tumbler, what I'm doing now is just adding some glitter on top of it. Not an overkill, but just a little bit. This glitter is like an iridescent. It's called Mother of Pearl. I'll link in the description down below where I got it from. Okay, guys, so I just did the pens as well. It came really cool with the epoxy, and I add a little bit of glitter as well. Alright guys, you gotta check this out. Basically what I did was I poured cold water into the tumbler, and now you can see the color changing in vinyl. Basically, the yellow turned green, and then around it turned blue. It's so cool. And then now what I'm doing is pressing my thumb to see how it looks before, and you can see the how it turned back to yellow and the blue turned back to light blue. It's so cool. Alright guys, so this is the finished product right here. I really like the way how it came out. It was so cool. I like the way how the glitter is there. It's not an overkill with the glitter, but it makes it the tumbler pop. And also you have the color changing vinyl right here. It's really cool when you pour cold liquid into it. It changes colors. I definitely want to do more videos on that. And then also you have this Papermate Inkjoy pen right here. It's so cool. You definitely, when you're doing the pens, you definitely want to make sure you don't get anything inside, or it really won't work. As you hear, it works just fine and clicks well. But I've had pens in the past that actually just don't work, but the design is so cool though. So definitely watch out for that. Um, so if you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.